Over the years, we've covered a ton of smart home essentials that range from robot vacuum cleaners to AI cameras, and talked about home automation in a nutshell. Recently, we've come across ZoeNet, their light bulb and switch in particular. And in our video today, we're going to give you an idea of the things they can accomplish, but more importantly, if you should get yourself a pair. So without further ado, let's begin. As you can see, the ZoeNet AK1 series has an immediately good first impression due to the sleek design and promise of ZoeNet's commitment to easy, simple, and user-friendly solutions. Both the outlet and the socket boasted an easy, no-fuss setup process that required zero wiring and came fully plug-and-play. This was the core feature that actually piqued our interest in the first place, considering the diverse needs of users, especially the elderly, the pregnant, and those with limited mobility in general. Staying true to the words of ZoeNet, the whole installation process of both the ZoeNet remote control outlet and the light socket was weirdly easy. You see, the innovative and incredibly useful buckle design not only facilitates a quick and easy setup, but as an extra perk makes it relatively easy to relocate the devices later on. We really appreciated the flexibility of mounting the switches on our wall with adhesive tape, which pretty much transformed a boring and traditional space into an exciting and convenient one, almost instantaneously. Apart from all of that, what stood out the most in both of these devices was without a doubt their strong signal capability, especially when you consider you're getting a wireless range of up to 300 feet. You could understand how easy it was to control appliances and lighting from pretty much any corner of the home at any given time. This was a pretty nifty advantage for us, especially considering we have a lot of ground to cover in our studio, and the most common problem we have with devices like this is the signal range. We could easily turn on our office lights from another room entirely regardless of the situation, without getting out of our comfort zone, giving us a ton of tactical and locational advantages. We often thought of these benefits as some form of luxury, but ZoeNet made sure these luxuries turned into everyday conveniences and spoiled us a bit in the process. ZoeNet takes pride in being programmable and expandable, and it reflects on both of the devices. The ability to control multiple outlets or light sockets through a single switch, or the other way around, opened up a world of new possibilities for us to customize our overall home setup. We experimented with creating zones inside our studio, where you can see how a single click activated all of the devices in a particular area, regardless of the location. This level of interoperability allowed us for a relatively clean and easy integration of lighting and appliances that streamlined our daily routines and provided a level of convenience we didn't think we'd need. The practical application of the ZoeNet AK1 series isn't not only limited to all the things we've said so far. For example, the remote control light socket AK1 became an instant favorite to us for its ability to replace pull chain lights in hard-to-reach areas. Basically, the ease of use in terms of screwing in the light socket and not having to deal with the need for wiring or such gave us a significant level of improvement in terms of both safety and convenience. On the other hand, the remote control outlet AK1 proved to be invaluable for controlling appliances that are often frequently used but inconveniently located. This gave us the ability to easily turn on or off an appliance without getting out of bed or activate studio lights from the living room, adding a layer of safety and, of course, energy efficiency to our studio. After a few months of thorough testing and exploration with both of these devices, a few things became clear. ZoeNet remote control outlet AK1 and light socket AK1 at this point can be classified as more than just mere gadgets, but rather a step forward to an easier and more conveniently connected home automation system. The easy installation, paired with a robust and reliable signal strength and a plethora of customizable features, cater to a wide range of needs and preferences, turning them into a couple of must-have gadgets for anyone who's looking to enhance their living space through technology. Whether you're tech-savvy or more or less new to the world of home automation, the ZoeNet AK1 series offers a straightforward and effective way of upgrading your home. But enough about that. What are your thoughts on ZoeNet? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.